Welcome to Wow Sulvec Narvacan, a hidden gem in Ilocos Sur. This is your perfect summer getaway. Wow Sulvec is nestled in the charming town of Narvacan, Ilocos Sur. This is a treasure that is waiting to be discovered by travelers who are looking for a peaceful yet captivating scenery experience. With the dry season in full swing, Wow Sulvec is the ideal place to unwind from the ever-busy city life. It's a terrific vacation spot for those who want to slow down, explore, or simply enjoy the hidden treasure of Ilocos Sur. This tourist spot is also known for its serene ambience and picturesque landscapes. This summer, why not experience the absolute relaxing beauty and charm of Wow Sulvec here in Narvacan, Ilocos Sur? Come and feel the paradise vibe where you can create unforgettable getaway moments full of adventure and memories to last a lifetime. Wow Sulvec, your perfect everyday escape.